How to pin a post in your Facebook group. If you want a specific post to stay at the top of your Facebook group feed so all members can easily see it, pinning the post is the way to go. To do this from your mobile device, open the Facebook app and go to your group. Scroll to find the post you want to highlight. This could be a welcome message, group rules, or an important update. Once you've found it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Pin to Featured. The post will then move to the top section of your group under a heading called Featured, which is always visible when members visit the group. You can pin multiple posts, and they will be displayed in order with the most recently pinned one first. Pinning is a simple but powerful tool to make sure key information stays front and center for every group member. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.